describe your heart.
Hi everyone! So sa ngayon, tinan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have this one. We also got my dream come true. We also have this one. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na if you're going to reach for something like a dream, you have to study about it, okay? And I'm sensing with this one here, gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon na kung may panaginip ka, you have to go after it. Hindi sapat na nanonood ka lang, na-inspire, dapat may kilos. We also have friend zone. We also got the ghost. We also have this in either way. And we also got the moon. Gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon na if you are having a venture, make sure na hindi nyo babanggitin sa mga kakilala nyo. Kung meron man kayo nabanggit, yung sure talaga na friend nyo, okay, na walang crab mentality issue, yun yung mas mainam, okay? And let's see. We also have the make. So, yun nga, nabanggit ng Panginoon na if you're dreaming about something, then go do it. Okay? At saka wag kayong mahihiya. Okay? Lesson that we have is this one. We also have this in either way. So, gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon sa inyo na mas mainam na lumayo muna kayo sa iyong barkada. Okay? At huwag mo sasabihin kung ano yung pinagkakaabalahan ninyo. So, may narinig tayong tahol ng aso sa inyong reading. Ibig sabihin lang nun ay baka may mga tao na gustong pigilan tong venture mo. So, might as well keep it to yourself. Okay? And para hindi nila mabati kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? So, anyway, that's it guys. And God bless all of you.